What I do know is that you're not taking control of what you can take control of, which is how you decide to think about this. And from there, you will know what action to take. Right now, you feel powerless, and so your thoughts are powerless. When you look at yourself, what kind of woman, what kind of person do you want to be in that moment? What kind of thought do you want to have in that moment when someone's raging and yelling? When you decide what you want to think about something, it's usually kind of a bummer because it takes you out of apathy. It takes you out of avoidance. No matter what you're going through right now, no matter what's in front of you, no matter what challenge, it's supposed to be there. We're supposed to evolve as human beings. We're not supposed to get married and have perfect husbands. Sorry, that's not the case, right? We're supposed to be confronted with ourselves to work through our own issue. And that's the way to think about this. This is you working with you on you.